first target, and I had mentioned HD in my previous video that we had put in a sell signal, and I had mentioned a small counter trend rally back to that 317.90 resistance would offer an objective entry short, and we got it. We might have popped it above very briefly, never closed above it, and slightly below it, and it's good for a 5% drop to that 299.30 price support to the money. Some of these traders start buying it up. You can, if I zoom in here, you can sort of see the needle there, but you know, you can play a small pop or anything like that, but we'll see. Solid close here, and that 287 level is my next target to hone in on, and if we do break that, I'll offer a couple of other targets. But as for now, take it for what it is. Perfect back test, perfect rejection right off of resistance, and now we are challenging and potentially undercutting the lows of these previous lows off of June and March combined. So we'll see what happens. We have crossovers on the MACD now. We have a crossover in the oscillator as well. Huge gaping outer curve into the price oscillator. Definitely not as diverged as the MACD, but it gives you a little bit more evidence. You like to see this huge gaping crossover for more evidence to vote. And here we go, huge negative divergences now that are confirmed on the RSI and the MACD and the oscillator. So we'll see if we get that 287. If we do come up to the 287, I mean, we could bounce maybe back up to that 317.90 and come back down again and retest that 299.30. But if 299.30 does go, I suspect 287 will be met pretty quickly, as we have a pretty nice air pocket in between. So we'll see how it plays out. We got most of the majority of traders who had purchased HD long here around this price range of that 320 range. So I can best believe that a crack below that 299.38 or 299.30 will set some stops off, and we could waterfall down to 287 and break right through that, and I'll offer another target if we do.